Global warming. Rebecca and Annabelle. So what is global warming? Global warming is the increase in the average temperature of the Earth. Average temperature refers to the combined temperatures of ocean surface waters, air over land, and oceans. Global warming potential describes the ability of a substance to warm the atmosphere by absorbing and emitting thermal energy. The major cause of global warming is the enhanced greenhouse effect. The enhanced greenhouse effect refers to the increased capacity of our atmosphere to absorb and emit thermal energy because of an increase in greenhouse gases. Natural greenhouse effect versus enhanced greenhouse effect. Human activities have a big impact on global warming. The main greenhouse gases that contribute to global warming are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, chlorofluorocarbons, water vapor,
But how does all of this affect me? Actually, global warming has tons of effects, like extreme weather events, temperature rise, sea levels rising, habitat loss, and food supplies going down. And all of these affect the human species. Extreme weather events such as tornadoes, tsunamis, earthquakes, storms, and heat waves are becoming more frequent due to global warming. Global warming has also caused an alarming temperature rise over the past century. What does this lead to, however? Well, temperature rise leads to tons of things, and one of them are sea levels rising. Sea levels are expected to rise between 7 and 23 inches by the end of the century. Small islands will literally be lost to the sea. Global warming is also causing habitat loss. This is because forest fires that cause deforestation are becoming more common due to global warming. Also, Arctic ice could disappear this century, the habitat of polar bears. Global warming is changing the abiotic features of ecosystems. Some species might go extinct. Food supply will also go down. Changes to the temperature, water quality, and currents in oceans, lakes, and streams could have devastating effects on fish population. Changes in the frequency and severity of droughts and floods will have a negative effect on agriculture. Now the question is, how can we help? There really is no definitive solution to global warming, but we can definitely help deal with it. We will need global cooperation to decrease overall greenhouse gas emissions by monitoring industry, energy, transportation, forestry, and waste management. We should all monitor industries by introducing policies, switching to energy-efficient equipment, and increasing recycling. Monitoring energy would also help a lot in global warming. We should research renewable energy sources like solar power, wind power, hydroelectric power, geothermal power, and biofuels. We should also store CO2 underground after it is removed from natural gases. Transportation is also a big part of global warming. We should introduce hybrid vehicles, promote public transportation, and shift from road transportation to rail transportation. We should also help our forests along by promoting worldwide planting of trees and encouraging better forest management strategies. And last but not least, waste management. We should recycle, compost, and minimize waste, and also encourage burning of waste for energy recovery and recover methane gas from decomposition in garbage dumps.
Although we cannot prevent global warming from happening, we can raise awareness and work together to curb our contribution.
Created using Powtoon.